हे एवरीवन, मैं हूँ प्रिया एंड वेलकम बैक टू सिलेक्टेड यूनिवर्सिटी, जहाँ आपको मिलता है बेस्ट करियर गाइडेंस, कॉलेज अपडेट्स और एडमिशन टिप्स ऑल इन वन प्लेस। नीट का एग्जाम हो गया, स्कोर कार्ड हाथ में है, लेकिन कौन सा फॉर्म भरे, एमसीसी या स्टेट काउंसलिंग? कैसे डिसाइड करें कि कौन सा कॉलेज मिलेगा और कट ऑफ कैसे समझे? टेंशन छोड़ो, एक नोटबुक पकड़ो और अपना वाटर बॉटल फिल करो, क्योंकि अगले 6 to 7 मिनट्स में मैं आपको पूरा MBBS काउंसलिंग 2025 का रोड मैप दूंगी, सिंपल लैंग्वेज में, step by step. First, let us understand what is counseling. Counseling in NEET means आपके स्कोर के हिसाब से मेडिकल सीट अलॉटमेंट का प्रोसेस। बट यहाँ ट्विस्ट है, 2 लेवल्स के काउंसलिंग होते हैं। एक ऑल इंडिया कोटा AIQ, which is conducted by MCC, 15% seats in all government colleges and 100% seats in deemed universities, central universities, AIM, JIP, MER, AFMC. And the second type is state quota, which is conducted by the respective state authorities. 85% government seats for state students also include private medical colleges of that state. So you can apply for both AIQ and the state quota if you meet the criteria. अभी हर राउंड में क्या होता है? Let's break it down. Step 1, registration. Go to MCC website for AIQ or state portal. Fill the form and then you pay the registration fees. And step 2 में होता है choice filling. Select your preferred colleges and courses. Order matters. जो पहले भरोगे, पहले वो consider होता है. और step 3 में seat allotment based on rank, preferences and category. You will get a provisional allotment results. And step 4, reporting to the allotted college. Accept करना है या free exit लेना है, your call. Report there physically with all your documents. Now, MCC has 4 rounds. Round 1, Round 2, mop-up and stray vacancy. State counseling भी 2 to 4 rounds में होती है, depending on the availability. Now you need to make sure that you know the expected timeline. MCC counseling July to September and state counseling starts soon after the MCC counseling. And the MBBS classes are likely to start from 1st September 2025. Now note all this document checklist. Need admit card, need scorecard, 10th and 12th mark sheet, birth certificate, category certificate, domicile certificate for state quota, Aadhaar card, passport size photos, and provisional allotment letter. Make sure you keep both the scanned copy and the printed originals ready. Let me tell you some common mistakes that you should definitely avoid. Form error, नेम मिसमैच होना, रॉन्ग कैटेगरी डालना, सीट जा सकती है। लेट रजिस्ट्रेशन, सेकेंड चांस नहीं मिलेगी वंस द डेट हैव पास्ड। रैंडम कॉलेज चॉइसेस, डोंट गेस, जस्ट मेक श्योर यू रिसर्च द कट ऑफ, द रैंकिंग, द लोकेशन, एवरीथिंग दैट यू नीड टू नो बिफोर यू इवन अप्लाई फॉर दैट कॉलेज। मिसिंग डॉक्यूमेंट्स, अगर आप एक डॉक्यूमेंट भी मिस करो तो आपका एडमिशन कैंसिल हो सकता है ड्यूरिंग द रिपोर्टिंग। Here's a quick hack. Use NEET predictor tools to shortlist options based on your rank. Now, let's talk about the fee and the types of colleges. There are 3 major types of colleges. Government college, which can cost from 10,000 to 1 lakh per year. Deemed university, from 10 to 25 lakhs per year, and private medical colleges from 6 to 20 lakhs per year, but this depends on state wise. Deemed colleges में AIQ से apply कर सकते हो even if you are from another state. Now let's talk about the state counseling and how is it different. Every state has its own counseling portal and rules. For example, महाराष्ट्र के लिए CET Cell, कर्नाटका KEA, तमिलनाडु DME-TN और यूपी के लिए DGME-UP. Each state has its own website, registration fee and bond policy. Some states have 1 to 5 years service bonds. Make sure to check the official notification. The link will be in the description box below. Now, what is the realistic counseling strategy? Let me tell you step by step. First, register for MCC plus your state. Prioritize government colleges during the choice filling. Make sure to fill enough options, not just 5 to 10. Round 1 में seat मिल भी जाए, then also try for round 2 for upgradation. Don't miss the stray round because many vacancies get filled here. Here is the final tip. Even if your rank isn't that great, there are always some seats in stray or mop-up round. So always make sure to be active and check the updates regularly. Are you still confused? Select Your University can guide you step by step in MBBS admission and counseling, from registration to seat allotment. Contact details और link description box में है. Check them out today. So अब आपको पूरा रोड मैप मिल गया है NEET UG 2025 की काउंसलिंग का, from form filling to final seat confirmation. Share this with your friends and drop your NEET rank below, because we will try to help you with realistic college option. Also make sure to subscribe for college specific cutoffs and updates, and I will see you in the next one. All the best, future doctors.
Select your university. Your future, our mission. Turning dreams into degrees.